Guys, this is pretty amazing. I'm going to coat the chicken in some oil. And I'm going to salt. I'm going to mix a tablespoon of paprika with half a teaspoon of cumin, with an eighth of a teaspoon of nutmeg, an eighth of a teaspoon of ground cloves, and a fourth teaspoon cinnamon. I'm going to add a fourth teaspoon of black pepper to this. I'm going to squeeze half a lime in here. And I'm going to add half a cup of pineapple juice and half a cup of orange juice. I'm going to throw in a jalapeno, which I seared and cut the membrane off. 2 peeled garlic cloves, which I smashed. So our chicken marinated overnight. Now I'm going to take it out of the marinade. We're going to let this sit at room temperature for a good 20 minutes before we start cooking it, okay? I want you to start heating an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 200 centigrade. Get rid of the marinade, guys. We are going to heat our pan until it's nice and hot. Just going to add a little oil. We're going to sear this chicken on both sides before we put it in the oven. I'm going to cook it for about 3 minutes per side, guys. All right, I'm going to cover this and put it in the oven for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, guys. I'm going to take off the lid, and we're going to let this cook for another 10. Oh my gosh, guys. It was in the oven for a total of 40 minutes. In my oven, it's cooked through. Please make sure you don't eat raw chicken, okay? I'm going to cover this again and let it rest for 10 minutes before we cut it. It's caramelized so nicely with the fruit juices in there and the spices. I can't wait to taste this. This would be great meat for tacos.